In the intricate tapestry of life, our goals serve as the guiding stars, illuminating the path we tread. They provide a sense of purpose, direction, and fulfillment. Yet, staying true to these goals amidst life's many challenges can be a formidable task. In this discourse, we will delve into the teachings of Islam to understand how to navigate the obstacles that may arise, and how to persevere in our pursuit of aspirations. The Divine Blueprint: Goals in Islamic Perspective. Islam, a religion of guidance and purpose, emphasizes the significance of setting goals and striving towards them. The Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, provides numerous verses that inspire us to aspire to greatness and to set lofty objectives. Allah Almighty says in the Quran, "And strive in the way of Allah with your wealth and your lives." This verse encourages us to utilize our resources and our very existence to work towards noble causes and personal goals. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also emphasized the importance of setting goals and striving towards them. He once said, "Plan your work and then work your plan." This hadith highlights the significance of planning and strategizing to achieve our objectives. The role of faith in goal achievement. Faith in Allah is the cornerstone of a successful journey towards goal attainment. When we believe in Allah's plan and trust in His guidance, we are more likely to persevere in the face of challenges. The Quran reminds us, "And whoever relies on Allah, then Allah is sufficient for him." This verse emphasizes the importance of relying on Allah and trusting in His divine plan. Overcoming obstacles. Lessons from the prophets. The lives of the prophets and messengers provide us with invaluable lessons on how to overcome obstacles and persevere in the pursuit of our goals. Prophet Ibrahim faced numerous challenges in his life, but he remained steadfast in his faith and his pursuit of Allah's guidance. His story serves as a powerful inspiration for those who may encounter difficulties on their journey. Prophet Yusuf also faced immense trials and tribulations, but he remained patient and persevered through adversity. His story teaches us the importance of patience and trust in Allah's plan. The power of patience. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Plan your work and then work your plan." This hadith highlights the significance of planning and strategizing to achieve our objectives. The Quran reminds us, "Indeed, the believers are those who are steadfast in their prayer and spend in charity, and they are those who believe in the unseen, and they are those who are patient for the sake of their Lord." This verse emphasizes the importance of patience and perseverance in the face of challenges. The importance of planning. Effective planning and preparation are crucial for achieving our goals. By setting clear objectives and developing a plan of action, we can increase our chances of success. Seeking guidance and support. Seeking guidance and support from others can be invaluable in our journey towards goal attainment. Consulting with mentors, seeking advice from trusted friends, or joining support groups can provide us with the encouragement and resources we need to succeed. The Quran reminds us, "And consult with them, the people of knowledge, in matters. Then, when you have decided, rely upon Allah." This verse encourages us to seek advice from those who have knowledge and experience. The role of gratitude and optimism. Cultivating gratitude and optimism can significantly impact our journey towards goal achievement. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives and expressing gratitude for our blessings, we can develop a more positive mindset and increase our resilience. The Quran reminds us, "And if you are grateful, I will surely increase your blessings for you." This verse emphasizes the importance of gratitude and its rewards. Conclusion. Achieving our goals requires a combination of faith, perseverance, planning, and support. By following the teachings of Islam and drawing inspiration from the lives of the prophets, we can navigate the challenges that may arise and persevere in our pursuit of aspirations. Remember, the journey towards goal attainment is not always easy, but with faith, patience, and perseverance, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our dreams. May Allah Almighty guide us all on this path and grant us success in our endeavors.